Hey y'all, so today we're going to make a fall themed wreath out of dollar store supplies. So I picked up one of these orange pumpkin signs and I took off all of these pieces. So I'm going to be painting the back of the sign. I really like the teal color, so I have some teal chalk paint. And I also have kind of these other colors that I'm going to go in, kind of give my pumpkin some depth. And then I'm just going to keep painting. I'm going to paint the whole thing. You just kind of blend in these seams. Just give it a little bit of depth there. Then we're going to let this dry and we'll come back and put some flowers and bows on it. Alright, so now that our pumpkin is all dry, I went ahead and I cleared it with some matte spray paint. Also, it'll just kind of help keep the spray paint on there a little bit better. Also, I picked up these 3 ribbons. I really liked them. This sparkly ribbon is super awesome because it's sticky on the back, so it made making the bow a little bit easier. And then I liked the lace ribbon. You'll also need a little bit of a pipe cleaner. And then I also have some fun fall flowers that we will go ahead and decorate with. Alright, so for this part, I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon pretty easily. Again, this glitter ribbon was super awesome because it was sticky. So I'm going to lay it in the center of my teal ribbon. Just kind of push it down. So then you'll take your teal ribbon, give you a few inches, however big you'd like your bow, and then I'm just going to wrap it like so. Then I'm going to pinch the center. I'm going to kind of make sure that my wires are towards the back of the bow. And then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and go around the center. And you're going to cinch this as tight as you can. And then I went ahead and cut off the excess of that. So now, if you fluff your bow, it'll come out just like that. So then, for my lace bow, I went ahead and just tied a traditional single knot bow. Again, however big you'd like. And once I liked how it looked, I took my hot glue gun and I just put a little dot here in the center. And we will wait for that to dry. Alright, so now that we have our bow all made and fluffed out the way that we like, go ahead and place it on your pumpkin. I want mine kind of right in the center. And put a little glob of glue there. I'm going to push it down and let it dry. Alright, next we're going to take some of these fall leaves. I also got these at the dollar store. Those are pretty cute. And then I kind of just tucked them under here to see where I would like to put them. And then once I was satisfied, I went ahead and glued them down. So we'll kind of tuck these in here. If your stems are too long, cut them a little shorter. I also have these cute burlap looking flowers that I used. And then I also have these real nice, realistic, wheat-like natural colored flowers. I got these from Hobby Lobby. A big bunch is about $6. But I had them left over from a previous project. So I'm going to use some of these, and then we're also going to stick them in kind of somewhere that we think they would look nice. And again, I just kind of put these in here kind of to think about where I want to put them. And then as I decide and glue them down, I will go ahead and cut the stems off. Alright, so I think I kind of have this laid out. So I'm going to go through, cut my stems, and glue it all down. Alright, so now that we have everything glued down and fluffed out the way we like, it's time to put the hanger back on. So I'm using the original hanger, and you feed it back through the hole, and it will lay flat. If you don't think it's secure enough, go ahead and glue it down, or you can even use your own hanger, whatever you like. And then there you go. We have a fall pumpkin hangy.